What we've got in the system already in place for you is if somebody clicks on those, when they open the email, you'll see it. When they click on the email, you'll see it. And I'll show you where we'll see it. So right here in our opportunities board is where you're going to start to see all of these coming through. So when the first email goes out, you're going to see them drop into this column right here as a new lead. When they open the email, they'll advance to this column. When they click on your trigger link, they're going to come into this column. Okay, so I'm just going to go and make sure that those trigger links are set into this campaign. So let's jump into here. Oh, there you go. You just saw a couple of them. These are your first 10 have just started to go out. All right, so all of these ones have just been emailed two seconds ago, which is great. Now, if they open the email, there you go. Patrick opened the email straight away. Seeing it happen actually live, which is really great. So Patrick's opened the email. All right, Copper Finance has opened the email. This is amazing. This is so cool to see. All right, so these guys have already opened their emails.